Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Ariesya Binti Othman and my metric number is S59206.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Mohammad Subri. My metric number is 59832.
Hi, my name is Nurirjawati Binti Jailuddin. Number matrix S58306.
Hi, I'm Mohammad Aqil bin Amran. Metric number S58057.
For our project coding, one group members have to make coding for one class. Mine is user class.
I get assigned for electronic and food coding.
For this project, my part is doing the order class.
My action task is product class and fashion class.
Let's start with introduction to our system first. So I will present the introduction of the system, which is have three parts, which is background of the system, scope of the system, and the review of the system. What is inventory management system? Inventory management system is a software for companies and organizations to monitor their stock in the warehouse. With an easy user interface, users can use the system without having advanced training about the system. This system also is for organizing inventory data that was previously kept in paper or in spreadsheets. It also can be used to create orders. Okay, next I will present about problem statement of our system. The first one is companies and organizations do not use inventory management system to observe their stock and orders from customer. They will use other software such as Microsoft Excel. Second one is it takes a lot of time to manage the stock and customer. It also can't observe expiration date for an item. It leads to incomplete, inaccurate or delayed shipment. The old inventory management system is also inefficient and needs many apps to handle the customer, product and stock. And the last one is the product and total of stock might be mistaken because of human error. Okay, next I will present about the problem solution of our system. The first one is user can also observe their stock and orders from customer in products and order class rather than using Microsoft Excel. The second one is based on our UML diagram. There are food, fashion, electronic class to each stocks management. It also saves more time. The interface total amount in our UML diagram can be used to calculate the payment of our customer. The third one is in our UML diagram there are expired date in a food class, so user can observe the expired date for a food from variable expired date in the food class. In order class, the user also can check the shipment, so there will be no delay shipment happen. The product class and order class can prevent from the miscalculated stock. The user can always check.
For our project, user have to choose between three product type, which is electronic, food and fashion. So we divided our demo into 3%, which is Aqil will demo about food product, Aisyah will demo about fashion product, and me for electronic product. So without further ado, let's start with our demo. Let's start with my product type, which is electronic. So firstly open the I'll run the Java first. So this is our GUI for login. So I enter the ID and password. So login successfully. This is for J option pin, which is one of the method in user classes when user manage to log in. So I'll choose for my product type, which is electronic. So this pop-up J option pin I use for showing my polymorphism using default constructor in each child classes. So in parent classes I also have for default constructor. So I'll click OK. So this is the interface for electronic. Okay, so I will enter the in the details. So product ID is 1, name is television, price is maybe 1,500. Quantity of product that I have in my store is maybe 10. Specification is 42 inch. Brand is Samsung. So when I click add button, it will pop up the option pane successfully add product. So when I click OK, it will showing here. I will enter the next one first to make example. The second one maybe mobile phone. Price maybe 2,000. Quantity 15. Specification maybe RAM is 4 gig. Brand iPhone. So add. So successfully add product. Then for the second one, so when I choose to print my product that I have entered, it will show like this. This is for my first product. Then when I click OK, it will show the second product. So if I want to continue, I just click OK. So done. So this electronic class is a child class to a parent product class. So in product class we has product ID, name, price, and quantity, while in electronic class we have specification and brand. So it inherit product ID, name, price, and quantity from the product class. So I will show you my exception handling here. So another product name, maybe a laptop, price around 3,000. Quantity I have 10. Specification 40 inch for the screen. Brand is HP. Okay. For my exception handling, for the product ID, the data type should be in integer. So if I have here in double, let we see what happen if I click add order. So it will show please re-enter, which is our exception handling. So when I click OK, it show that we need to retype back our information. So 3, name laptop, price 3,000, quantity is 10, specification is 14 inch for the screen, brand is HP. So I add. So it show back successfully add product. So for delete one, I will delete. I say okay. If user want to delete, it will pop up the J option button, confirmation either it wanted to yes or no. If it yes, it will delete, while if it's no, it will no. Okay. So when I click order screen will pop up here. So user can enter the order based on the product here. So if user enter order ID 1, product ID is 5, maybe no, product ID here is 2, price here is 2,000, quantity that user wanted to order is 2, phone number is Okay, our phone number, then add, successfully add order. So it display in the table for order ID, product ID, price, quantity, phone number, and it have total for this order, and we also have here our amount of order, which is 4,000. So okay, for example, if I add another order, product ID is 3, price is 3,000, 3,000 there. Okay, 3,000, quantity there, they want 1, and phone number. Okay, when I add, okay, it here state 3,000. So 4,000, total amount for this, all of this order is 4,000 plus 3,000 equal to 7,000. So I can delete. Okay, so I can show the receipt. If user want to quit from this project, they can close. Then if user wanted to change their product option, they can click menu, so it will pop up menu back, so they can out if they want. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
As always, run the project, and here user enter the username and password. We applied composition from user class to product class. The user must log in to proceed with the system. Here we click OK. And then fashion for present for a fashion product, then click OK. Here we can see the inheritance and polymorphism being applied for product ID, name, price, quantity, and order for a fashion product. All the variables stated was taken from product class. Because of their specific implementations, product class, order class, and fashion class will be executed. So user just enter the data required here. As an example, I put 1, name is shirt, price 12, quantity 1, description long sleeve. That is quantity, long sleeve. Gender, unisex. So and we can see exception handling applied. I enter product ID with string 1. The product ID has been designed to accept data type integer. Getting a string will make it display an error. After clicking OK, I corrected the product ID and enter all the data needed once again. So name, shirt, price 12, quantity 1, long sleeves. Then user can add or order the product, so I'll choose add for now. Then here click OK. User can also delete the product. Here enter yes or no depending on what the user wants, so I choose yes. Here we can see the list disappears. So next I will demonstrate how to order, so I'll choose order. Okay. Then here user can enter what product that user want to order, so just enter the data required. As an example, I put order ID, product ID, price, quantity, and phone number. Then we can click OK, and the list of order appear. We added the total amount interface, as you can see here. User can either choose receipt or delete depending on what the user wants, so I choose receipt. Next, OK. Then I want to go to the main menu. Just go back to the page before and click menu. There we go. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, hello. So enter the username and password. Click login. Click OK. So I will present about food. So click food. As you can see, there is inheritance and polymorphism being applied for product ID, name, price, and quantity. All of this variable is taken from product class because of specific implementation. For expiry date, there is association composition between food and date class, so that we can use both functionality. For GUI, uh, in this class, there are 4 text fields, 4 combo box, 5 button, and 1 label, with each represent their own variable. As you can see, J button add action perform, receive input. J button print action perform, display in list. Object frame order is to call frame from frame order. For J button product type action perform method, object product option is to call frame from frame product option class. Delete button in method J button product type action perform. J option pin will pop up a message confirmation for deleting data. Method clear field is used to clear the form after add button is clicked. So enter the product ID, name, takoyaki, price, quantity, date. Right. So click add, click OK, and now you can see the display in list. So when you delete, the option pane will pop up. Go for order. Order ID. Oh, before I forgot, order ID and product ID only accept INT. So just enter the number. Okay, enter 3. Quantity, phone number. Click add, click OK, and the display in list. Order has composition with product class, association composition. Thank you.